are threatening me that you take me because you are who?
I'm who? Why?
My friend, don't bring yourself.
What's the meaning of that?
What do you mean you are taking me on? What does that phrase mean?
You call us micro.
When you are micro minority, doesn't Afenyo himself use that phrase? Bring yourself. I don't have time for that.
Sometimes my catcher will say, money be one of my time now. Your car say equality. No, I say man be bragging. There are good, genuine women that I can attest to who, even with power, they are humble and they are equally arrogant. Stupid women who woman power kakra jimien abete. As a man see here, lady no attitude. I wonder if he has a husband. Now, Okuna, I wonder the sort of treatment or the money fee. When young girls no because they feel they have power, they feel they are pretty, they maltreat their husbands. Omuadie, omuni kunu, okunu di omuni kunu. Oni bi nso dia na na de buonti onye kunu da anya bia na me bono me ka no kure onye kunu da.
We do not and we should not accept that conduct and that insult. Mr. Speaker, let me thank you for the opportunity to contribute to the justified request made by the minority whip of conduct he feels damages his standing and reputation as an elected member of parliament. Mr. Speaker, as I listen to him, we only can appeal to him that we share what the honorable member for Damangu said, that this house must stand united, indeed unanimous, in condemning the conduct.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH. Baby, I will be able to check a CNN mount. The name is Ben Bruce. Unsubscribe, subscribe, edit to now with Akabi. And run next in boxing match where they are Ali versus Joe Fraser and Nubia. I know don't pray one in MF meow acting CEO. Now me say a brana be na we frɛ we silly we frɛ you know me na say kwasiasem sa kwasiasem a odwen ho a wonte ase na me say parliament na mo yese na we nkrofo jimi na mo so mu jimi bi emom yankwa na ma bi mu ade ai na medwudwam yankwa tie ne mra.
You are threatening me that you take me because you are who?
I'm who? Why?
My friend, don't bring yourself.
What's the meaning of that?
What do you mean you are taking me on? What does that phrase
You
mean?
call us micro.
When you are micro minority, doesn't Afenyo himself use that phrase? Bring yourself. I don't have time for that. You think you can bully me here? Hey,
No, I don't have a problem.
not this silly child and bully me.
Listen, you heard the word used. What called me silly? She called me silly.
Are you a silly child?
No. We will deal with this matter. You called me
Wait, I
silly.
don't have time for you.
Good enough. No. I'm not.
Did I mention your name? Why are you taking a hat on your head? Did I mention your name? You know you were fighting on TV about this, your seat. You are coming to select
No,
your
please.
Did I mention your name?
You cannot call me
Did
silly.
I mention your name?
We have procedure.
Did I mention your name? You can carry a cross you want to carry. I'm going.
You are not recording.
Sometimes my catcher will say, money be one of my time now. Your car say equality. No, I say man be bragging. There are good, genuine women that I can attest to who, even with power, they are humble and they are equally arrogant. Stupid women who woman power kakra jimien abete. As a man see here, lady no attitude. I wonder if he has a husband. Now, Okuna, I wonder the sort of treatment or the money fee. When young girls no because they feel they have power, they feel they are pretty, they maltreat their husbands. Omuadie, omuni kunu, okunu di omuni kunu. Oni bi nso dia na na de buonti onye kunu da anya bia na me bono me ka no kure onye kunu da. Because sabe, a man is not tied down by sex. A man is not tied down by money. A man is not even tied down by good looks. It takes respect. Now, share the way of kasa Now we fret an honorable MP as silly. Now you say, okay, any portion, you can say, well, you know the one who was fighting for your seat. Research in you. 3 days in office, acting, pride. Now, when I was expecting John Mahama to issue a command and tell her to stand up from that chair. What the mommy say, office. Imagine the kind of treatment he's going to put the people at his office through. When you member of parliament, the one in a casa. Now imagine the subordinates. So the research, I was expecting say, you were John Mahama, why you serious banker, or can you say, in line of this thing, you have what? Revoke the appointment. Me who said this is reset. But as usual, a Ghanaian politics and the hearsay and 1 year because and yes, sir, this woman should never be an acting CEO of anything because she doesn't even respect men. That's what I'll say. If you have view, I don't care. But she is somebody who needs to be taught a lesson. No, and one man I made him say, Ghana, you been your president, Papa B, or no, so come me list. No, who's a long list? How will I address you? Okay, yes, Sam. Now, I'm who said twice now, making it was not wrong.
We do not and we should not accept that conduct and that insult. Mr. Speaker, let me thank you for the opportunity to contribute to the justified request made by the minority whip of conduct he feels damages his standing and reputation as an elected member of parliament. Mr. Speaker, as I listen to him, we only can appeal to him that we share what the Honorable Member for Damangu said, that this House must stand united, indeed unanimous, in condemning the conduct and in demanding an apology and a retraction of it, but to persuade our colleague not to pursue further, wanting this matter resolved at the Privileges Committee. Mr. Speaker, the mention of it even on the floor of this House will send some warning to the public and non-members of this House that the Parliament of Ghana is clothed with both penal and disciplinary powers vested in it by virtue of Article 122 of the 1992 Constitution. And Mr. Speaker, contempt, you have been a torchbearer of wanting to preserve the honor and dignity of Parliament, the honor and dignity of members of Parliament, and more importantly, the honor and dignity of our political class. So, to honorable members, we do not and we should not accept that conduct and that insult. Today it is him, tomorrow it may be you. That is why we must stand united in condemning it. But to honorable minority whip, I'm pleading with you that because it's a woman, and you know Ghanaian society and our patriarchal values, forgive her. But before the forgiveness, as the Honorable Doyo, the Deputy Whip said, leader, the Honorable Mama Yarga, we should get the affected person to render an unqualified apology to the minority whip and follow with a retraction of the story, and that should let matters rest. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Not a difficult person. And since the individual involved has apologized, I was just going to appeal to my colleague to let this matter rest. I'm sure the individual involved would have learned her lessons by now that when you come to Parliament on the invitation of Parliament.
Yeah, Harun Adrusu, Wabekasa. Ose Monfanchano na ye emma na do ye. Debi I make catch am say, even the attention that we are giving to women nowadays is too much. Ama emebia who say, oh, ware kra, me see ade ana wo so wo ye aduane. What's that what the Bible says? What's that what the Bible says? Meanwhile, every time you baby chop money, the amount cash a man to your baby. Now mo bisa credit nisi carrying your money ma stupid things nkwa. Honorable Haruna has spoken. On se fache. Sabi oba oko ejanagu seso a ye ntwa ntwen ye pepa. Enti wakasa de eno ano. Nipa say nye hia. Wo se oyobia. Sabi ohun say it is wrong. Otimika say it is wrong. It is sending a parliament as an word to say the way a lady na no enye baba any day wapacho I expose GHFM member so subscribe ni tumpa na saka be manuasi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.